Our passion is all about reinventing people's lifestyle through forward-thinking design and innovative property concepts. I am ARNAUD, the founder and chairman of the Evaco Group. From a small property development company 18 years ago, Evaco grew up to its current corporate structure and is now a holding and investment firm. We are present in a few countries and we operate in various industries through 4 main clusters: design, engineering, manufacturing and construction, property development, consulting and corporate services, as well as hospitality and leisure. We are surrounded by highly competent and passionate experts who bring a strong and positive input.
We are driven by our passion and we strongly believe in our values.
We are involved in the development, the marketing and the sales of all our inventive projects. Each new concept is a very new exciting challenge, but our main motivation is the client satisfaction. The client trust is the keystone of our success. We provide also a wide range of dedicated consulting, corporate and relocation services.
We at Fairstone intervene at the execution stage of the project. We utilize sophisticated equipment and embrace cutting-edge technology, enabling us to deliver a high-quality product. Our satisfaction is when we see a client walk into the villa for the first time. Their smile and excitement, to us, it means a job well done. The Fine Line team combines cutting-edge technology with the group's experience in manufacturing to create breathtaking interiors crafted to the highest quality standards.
We offer the best and most efficient property and hospitality management services in Mauritius. Our customers benefit from exclusive privileges. They have access to a wide range of personalized services, such as our private beach club in Trobisch, catering and many other facilities.
More than 700 passionate professionals working as a team towards one vision. Our strength lies in our diversity and passion.